Hello everyone, I am Nikita Bath from Shri Guru Kripa Vidya Sankul. Today my topic is algebraic expression. Expression formed by combining variables using AMO. AMO means mathematical operation. As we know, there are four mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. When equal sign comes between two algebraic expressions, then it becomes an equation. Now come to the some important points. Variable. Variable means any letter or symbol which is used in any expression, then it is called the variable of that expression. Now come to the constant. Constant means the value will remain same. It won't be changed ever. Now come to the factor. Factor means 3xy. What is the factor of 3xy? 3xy. And now come to the 2x. What is the factor of 2x? 2x. What is the factor of 4? 4 and y. Now come to the coefficient. What is coefficient? Just now I explained about the factor. Then coefficient means the numerical factor. Then what is the numerical factor in 3xy? 3 is the numerical factor. Then it is called the coefficient of that expression. Now come to the terms. Terms means 3xy, 2x, 4. Now next topic, like term and unlike term. Like term are those terms in which algebraic factor is same. Come to the next point, unlike term. Unlike term are those terms in which algebraic factor is different. Here x, both variable are same, then it is called like term. In this example, here is the xy and here is the x. Then it is called unlike term. It helps in addition and subtraction. Now come to the next point. It is very important. Monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Here the word itself defines its meaning. Mono. Mono means single term. The expression in which only one term is there, it is called the monomial. Now come to the binomial. Here the bi means two. The expression in which two unlike term is there. Unlike term is there. Now come to the trinomial. Tri means three. The expression in which three term is there, it is called the trinomial. Now come to the poly. Poly means many. The expression in which one or more terms, many more terms, it is called the polynomials. Now, would you like to solve some example of addition and subtraction? Just now I explained about the like term, that it helps in addition and subtraction. So, it will very useful at the time of solving the question 8xy plus 5xy. Here both the variable is same, xy, xy. Then we can take common xy and 8 plus 5. Then the 13xy will be the answer. The terms must be like. Then you can only add or subtract that expression. Now, subtract 8x minus 5xy. Then you can again take common xy. Then 8 minus 5, 3xy. Now, thank you.